To get our dart lines, first we will square this mark downwards. Then we will go down 2 3/4 inches or 7 centimeters. We will mark this. This now will be the start of our dart points. From this point, we will go down 1 inch or 2.6 centimeters, and from there we will get 1/2 of these points. We will get 1/2 of these points, which is here. This will be the center of our bust dart. Now we will get the tip of the bust for the medium figure. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center of the shoulder line, and we go down to 9 inches or 23 centimeters. We mark this. Then we will square this outwards. We get the tip of the bust measurement to determine where the level of the distance of the bust is. The distance of the bust for a medium figure is 7 inches or 18 centimeters. We fold the tape measure once to get 1/2 of the distance of the bust measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center, on the tip of the bust level, and we mark 1/2 of the distance of the bust. So this point and this point should intersect. So we will go this way. Then actually we can connect this point to these points with straight lines. But since we are drafting a pattern for a fitted dress, we will move this point 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters away. So we will cross this out. This way our dress will have a more professional look, because then our dart point will not fall exactly on the tip of the bust. Now we can connect all these points with straight lines. Now we will fold the last dart line and bring it up to the first dart line. With our left index finger, we will control this point by pressing on this point, and we will fold the last dart line to meet the first dart line. Then we will pin them together. Then we will lift the pattern this way. Now we will get the front figure measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the middle of the shoulder line over the bust area, and we go down to 15.5 inches or 39.5 centimeters. We mark this. Then we will square this outwards. We got the front figure level, so we can also determine where the waistline level will fall. The waist measurement for a medium figure is 28 inches or 71 centimeters. We fold the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the waist measurement. We lay the tip of the tape measure on the center front on the waist level, and we mark 1/4 of the waist measurement. Now we will add a 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 centimeter waistline easing. Actually, for a fitted dress, we may not have to add the waistline easing. Now, on this part of our waistline, we have to go down 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 centimeter or 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters for the waistline adjustment. This actually will be dependent on the shape of the stomach. If the stomach is flat, we just go down 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. If the stomach is round, we go down 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. For the medium figure, we will use the 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeter mark. So we will cross this out. Then we will connect these 2 points using this side of our curve ruler. Now we can connect these 2 points to form our side seam. We use this side of our curve ruler to connect these 2 points. We have now completed the pattern for the front bodice for a medium figure. Now, we can actually create a hidden dart here so that this area of the armhole will be more flat. So we will get a 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 dart allowance. Then we will create 2 lines to form the dart. Since this is a hidden dart, we will permanently close this. Then, we will just reshape this area of the armhole. Also try doing both kinds of patterns, one with the adjusted armhole and one with just the regular armhole. Though I am wearing a loose blouse, what we're actually avoiding is a little fullness here. So we put that hidden dart so that this area, especially for a tailored dress or a fitted dress, is flat. Before cutting the final pattern, we might as well check if all our measurements are correct. Now we will be cutting the final pattern. We first close our dart lines. Then we start cutting our pattern. I might as well mark this front chest, bust, and medium. This now is the final pattern of our medium figure of the front bodice.